Encouragement. We have covered a lot of ground in this book. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't throw in the towel. This is meaningful work with exponential payoff. When it comes to finding your organizational potential, it is always a journey based on progress, not perfection. Revenue growth can bring out hope, excitement, frustration, innovation, and personal growth. Growth includes inevitable change. The stakes are high, and there is no pause button. This is exactly why the effort to align sales and marketing to create an environment of learning and continuous improvement is crucial. Over-reliance on your sales team's efforts is inappropriate in this digital age because you'll never reach your market at scale. You'll inevitably hit a plateau based on the hours in the day and your ability to attract and train those so-called superstars who will likely leave in less than 5 years. And 2020 taught us how a black swan event can catch us all off guard. At my company, The Marketing Blender, too many of our new clients in 2020 and 2021 came to us because they had relied solely on trade shows, enthusiasm, existing relationships, and face-to-face selling. The definition of good is a moving target, and a healthy marketing mix with an aggressive review of effectiveness is the key to remain agile as the speed of change accelerates. Business development has no finish line since revenue is the lifeblood of your company. Nothing happens without a sale. The market and the buyer's needs and behaviors constantly shift in a complex and dynamic way. That is simply the truth of human beings. We change, and thus how we engage with one another must change. Alignment ensures your total business development approach puts those you serve at the center of your outreach. After all, the real work of business development is helping another human solve a cumbersome problem. This is worthy and honorable, so our outreach should be too. Too much of today's professional communication is soul-stealing. It's boring, bland, and wordy. We have only this one life to live. I'd prefer for my life and work to be as thought-provoking and emotionally aligned as possible. I know you want the same. If you want great clients and great people, you must build a business development approach that breeds excitement and collaboration while setting clear expectations that lead to a win for everyone. Quality people are simply attracted to quality organizations. Be the real deal, because success is slippery. Our work is of no use if we increase traffic but not leads, leads but not sales, sales but not profit, profit but not cash flow, or cash flow without the enjoyment of lasting meaning. Your sales and marketing efforts should catalyze action in people so they can solve their problems and achieve their goals. What an exciting endeavor! Embrace a servant leadership point of view where your team members feel empowered and excited to stir an emotional response from your ideal customers. Encourage your people to improve by asking the right questions instead of constantly searching for a single magic talisman that will rescue lead generation and solve all of your business development problems. Tactics drive results only because of the strategy behind the execution. As a leader, go ahead and ask about the definitions of words, test their assumptions, workshop your team's ideas of success, and communicate the why behind your questions and inquiries. An aligned sales and marketing framework challenges you as a leader to ditch the blame and avoid any defensive postures in your culture. This cover-your-ass mentality should not be the normal way of working. Refuse to accept the norm. Be brave and help your team do inspiring work. Let's kill apathy in the B2B world by refusing to rush through our corporate communications and instead insist on serving and delighting people. Let's stop simply working for the weekend, because we will never have bold, fulfilling, and joyful lives if we don't harness our work for the greater good and allow our best selves to shine in our work habits. Be thoughtful with your words and your decisions. Great communication makes things so, but great communication takes preparation and intentionality. You deserve to live your best life. Great organizations deserve to grow. Your current and future customers deserve outstanding delivery. It is worthy to desire growth beyond your current state. Real ROI begins and ends with unity and clear communication around success. I believe that we all have spiritual fingerprints. Just as no two people on the planet have the same pattern on their hands, no two people in the history of the world, past, present, or future, have the same experiences, upbringings, gifts, talents, strengths, training, personality, style, and background is you. Remember, we are all incomparable. There is no comparison because you are the only you that will ever exist. And this is the truth of every organization as well. The spiritual fingerprint of your organization has the power to create powerful transformation in the world. When your organization aligns around common frameworks, goals, and values, opportunities open up for you to have greater impact. You can and should create impact beyond just those who receive invoices from you. This is good for the world and for your bottom line because your actions and intentions will attract the best people, the best opportunities, and the best individual output, which can result in a lifetime of happy customers. It is in your hands to build an organization that has the eyes to see a bigger future. I envision a business world full of meaning, connection, and prosperity for all of us, but it will take all of us to make this a reality. Go big. Care more. Be awesome. Onward and upward.